Testing 1, 2, and 3. I did not think that through. I just brushed my teeth and now I'm having orange juice, and yeah. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome back to me because I took a very long break. It was much longer than I thought. I just stopped posting. That's the best way I could put it. Here's the thing, I personally knew that I needed and I wanted a break, so I was fine with doing that. And then I feel like I just stopped. Like that was that. Like I just didn't post anything anymore, like really anywhere, other than just like making things for my small business. So I am back. And I am very excited to be back because I really did miss filming. I really did miss posting. I feel like that was a big part that was missing. My boyfriend even sat down with me and was saying like, hey, you know, I think you should start posting again because it seems like you're missing something, and I think that's what you're missing. So I am back. I am very excited to be back. Here's kind of what I think started to happen. When I first started my channel, I did a lot of like reviews and of testing products and things like that. And then I was like doing lifestyle vlogs, like fitness stuff. But then when the pandemic hit, I found it very hard because the routine for like the gym wasn't there. And if you know me or you watched my videos, you know that I used to go like 5 to 6 times a week. So it was very, very hard for me to like not be able to go out and work out and do weightlifting or the odd yoga or anything like that. So that was really, really hard for me. The other part about it was, since moving into my home, I've realized that I am very minimal. I like to be more minimal. I like to be more intentional. I don't need a lot of stuff. I don't want a lot of things. We don't have a lot of things. That's just kind of how we both are. So I feel like from before, with purchasing a lot of things to review them, just to review, buying clothes just to try them on, it wasn't fitting. Like when I got into my new home, just with the pandemic, just with becoming more minimal, learning who I was, I feel like I am different than how I was like 3 to 4 or 5 years ago whenever I started. I don't remember when I started, but anyway. So now that I've had that break, I kind of know more of who I am now and what I want to film now and what I would enjoy in filming. Here's what I'm kind of thinking. And this is just a thought because this may change. But I kind of want to post one video on Monday to start the week, one video on a Friday to end the week. I'm thinking just 2 videos, again, about 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, you know, around there. I mean, if the days change, if the time changes, that's no problem. If I miss one, that's no problem. It's just a video. I missed like what, 8 months, 9 months, almost a year. It's not that big of a deal. But I do feel like I was missing something, and I do feel like filming just brings me so much joy and gives me something to do. Even my boyfriend was saying to me the other day, he said that it seemed like something was missing and I should get back into this. And I was like, you know what? I think I should. So anyway, I'm thinking one video at the beginning of the week, one video at the end of the week, just to start the week and end the week. And then it gives me lots of time in between to do like my full-time job, my small business. It gives me lots of time to create content. I also think that I will still do reviews, don't get me wrong, but I'm not going to be going out and buying a bunch of different products just to test and then do a review. I want to get more into like the lifestyle, like the vlogs. I want to start getting into more of like trying on the activewear that I currently have, trying on, let's say, all my summer clothes, all my winter clothes. We're still going to do like the declutters. We're still going to be more minimal. I'm still going to go shopping. I'm still going to try stuff on, don't get me wrong. But I want to bring more of that like active lifestyle in again. So if that means like going out to do groceries, if that means going to the gym, if that means just cooking or baking or whatever. I want to do more of that day-to-day life stuff again. Whenever I'd plan a day, let's just say for example, like on a Sunday where I'd have nothing to do, waking up and going, you know what, I am gonna bake a nice breakfast, I'm gonna film it, then we'll go to the gym, I will film that. Like, it was so fun, and I feel like that was a part that was just missing for me. So I think that's also what I'm going to do. So I'm still going to do like reviews, but it's not going to be as often. I want to do try-ons again. I want to do vlogs and fitness type videos. I'm not going to do like how do I say this? Not tutorials, like gym routine, like gym workouts. Like, it's not going to be like anything like me coaching you or what to do. It's really just going to be like, okay, come to a shoulder day with me. You see 3-4 exercises and we're done. Like, it's going to be things like that. I've also changed up my workout routine a ton as to what I was doing before, and I view the gym so much differently than I did before. And I feel like with that kind of break, I kind of needed that, like not the YouTube break, but the pandemic break. I feel like it was a fresh start, and now I'm finally getting back into it. So now I go 6 to 7 times a week. Like, I go every single day basically. But now I still do weightlifting, but I try and do one day of weightlifting, the next day I do cardio and abs, then I'll do weightlifting, then I'll do cardio and abs. I like to do 2 to 3 days of like cardio and abs or yoga. I feel like that's a really good balance for myself and my body and my health, and I've been having great results. I've been absolutely loving it. So 4 days of weightlifting, 2 to 3 days of cardio and abs. So yeah, I would love to bring you guys along more with me there, even if it's like wake up, make a protein smoothie, we'll drive to the gym, couple clips on the treadmill, come back home, whatever, like things like that. Like, I just want to get back into that. So I feel like that's kind of all I wanted to say. I want to get back into posting 2 times a week. Still gonna do some reviews, some try-ons, but it's gonna be more vlog-like, lifestyle-like, and things like that. Oh, makeup. That was the other thing. I do still want to do like some like makeup videos, like project pans and stuff like that, but it's not going to be the same as before. I like filming a bunch of different things. I don't think I'm ever just going to be able to film one thing. So it is going to be a really big balance between like fitness, it's going to be some clothing, it's going to be some reviews, it's going to be some like makeup, like project pans. It's gonna kind of be all of that in one channel, and I'm really excited. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I am back, and I'm hoping to film 2 times a week again. I mean, if I can get back to 3 times, I would love that, but I think we'll just start with 2, and I am so excited. Let me know in the comments down below what video why can't I say this? Okay, let me know in the comments down below what videos you guys would like to see from me. I have some videos kind of like mapped out and ready to go. So we'll see. And yeah, we will go from there. Scarlett is sleeping on her Christmas blanket. Do you want to come here? Come here. Come see Mom. Oh, just to address the elephant in the room, I went back to brunette, and I'm sticking with brunette. I have bounced back between different hair colors for years. I'm sticking with brunette. So basically, like, I think to like here is my natural hair, and then the rest of it is just like tinted, and I go like every 3 to 4 months just to get it kind of touched up. I don't do much with my hair anymore. I like to keep it natural. I like to get it trimmed every now and then. I was thinking for the next time to get my hair done, I kind of want to do more like layers and stuff, but I'll bring you guys along with me there. But in case you were wondering, I was blonde. I am not going back to blonde. I may add like a few like lighter pieces of like brown to my hair, but not for any time soon. I'm so glad I made the switch, and I am so glad I am back to filming. I feel like there are people that can listen to me, and I don't have to ramble on and on to my boyfriend anymore. So anyway, I hope that you guys are excited about this journey that I am back on. If you are new here or if you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload next. I'm just really, really excited for this journey, and I hope that you guys are too. And I will see everybody in my next video at the end of the week. Bye.